Hey everybody. So gonna introduce our newest additions to the farm. Take a second and take a guess. Can you hear them? Yeah. Nobody tell Rachel. So, can you see them now? 30 purebred Rhode Island red chicks. So there's boys and there's girls. We don't know if they haven't been sexed or anything. Got them some fresh water with some apple cider vinegar. They're loving life. So this was the bedding that our cows were on. Now the cows are out to the pasture, so we got all this great bedding. So look at these guys. I mean, they are loving life, chasing bugs and finding all kinds of new experiences. Got these guys for $1 a piece. $1 a piece, and they were already on the ground. On the ground means that they were out of their brooder already. They're over 3 weeks old. That's amazing. $1 a piece. I originally went to go get 25, but you know, 5 more. What's 5 more, right? What's more? So the cat has been eyeballing them. See PJ? Right, let's see how you do this. There you go. There's PJ right up there. PJ's eyeballing them. But crazy excited to get these guys, you know, gonna start getting them acclimated, and eventually we're gonna put them out to the pasture. And they're gonna be our chicken brooders. Not our chicken brooders, they're gonna be our chicken egg layers, but they're gonna be the permaculture chickens that are rotated around behind our cows. So every day when the cows get moved, the chickens are going to slowly follow behind them. They'll be 2 to 3 days behind them, start scratching up through their cow manure, which is going to be exciting, and fertilize the pastures. And I can't wait to see how green our pastures get. We're going to walk out there in a second. I'm going to show you the pasture now, so we get some current ideas of what the pasture looks like. But I also want to do some over time, start seeing what the pastures turn into as the chickens and the cows are just living their best life. So, we'll be right back. We'll take you outside. All right, hey guys, walk out here with you. Sorry about the bumpy camera. I got a new tripod, stabilizer, but haven't opened it up yet, learned anything about it, so do that tonight. Start getting some more stable pictures because my hands shake really bad. But wanted to bring you out here and show you a before image of our pasture. Like, we've cleared it. We don't have any trees out here. We're starting to get some cows out here. But before the chickens and the cows start living their best life out here, I wanted to start showing you. Look at them guys. So this is the pasture before. So I'm estimating in the next 2 to 3 months, after these guys have manured it all up and we get the chickens out here to start scratching it up behind them, I'm going to start segregating off all of these paddocks, all this paddock here. I'm going to break it up into probably 4 or 5 different smaller paddocks. I'm going to move these guys every couple of days. Now, I'd like to move them every day, and I'll probably get there. But right now, I'm thinking every other day, maybe every 3 days, because it's just 2 little baby cows. But we're gonna bring the chickens out here, and the chickens and Che and Boots are all gonna live together. So they're gonna live in this relationship where they spread all this manure and they spread all this hay, and hopefully we can get some first cut hay. That would be nice to get some first cut hay that has some seed heads still on it, and then we'll start growing our own pasture. And these guys are gonna do it all. Meanwhile, these 5 bays are going, or 5 areas are going. We're gonna work over here and start clearing out all of this. Now, I've shown you this before, and we've been taking down the trees little by little, and we're clearing it out, but I'm not gonna clear it out too much. This is about as much as I'm gonna clear it out. They're not gonna be too dead over here. Look how green that grass is right there. Now, I mowed that. Can you imagine? I mowed this area right here. Look at it. Look how it bounced back. Why did it bounce back like that? Well, I have a feeling when we first bought the property, we had one of those forestry mulching machines come out, and this guy came out and he ground up all of this organic matter and returned back into the soil. Now you can see some areas, I don't know if you can see that or not. See these wood chips everywhere? Look at that. Well, all of that and this water, it kind of like settles, well, over there it gets a little bit of water, has turned into this amazing green grass. I mowed this 3 days ago, and it's coming back really quickly. Now, I didn't mow it all the way down. I left it about 6 inches tall. But look how it's bouncing back. Look at this. Look at these heads. It's coming up. It's green. That's the most important part. I don't know what it is. Somebody could tell me what it is. Come on, guys. Tell me what this is. But it's green. It looks like grass. The cows love eating on it. I mean, what else do you want? Slowly, we are going to open up this side over here for more cows. I want to get probably another heifer. I want to try and get a Jersey A2 heifer and a bull. I'd like to get a small bull. I'd always said, like, I don't want to get a bull, but I think I want a bull. I think we want to breed them eventually down the road. We'll have a bull out here. Oh, here's the other best part. I talked Rachel into letting me get a pig or 2, probably 4. We're gonna have to set the pigs loose in this area. We got the electric fence over there. We can just tap right into it and set the pigs up. That's gonna be awesome. Burn all these piles, create some ash and carbon released into the soil. I want to leave some of the trees, obviously, but because I don't want to take down just the small trees. Welcome to the farm. Hey guys, these are our 4 feeders. Hi. What's up, pigs? These are 4 brothers. Give you some comparison on how big they are. Here we go. Alright. Alright, somebody's hungry. Hey guys, we're out here with the pigs. Say hi. There, now you can see how big they are. They're pretty friendly. They're hungry right now. Oh, biggins. We do like a camera on the pig. There we go. It's a bumpy ride. Okay. We're gonna feed our pigs. They get a non-GMO feed. They get fed twice a day. We've been maintaining with about 2/3 of a 5-gallon bucket twice a day. You can tell they're always hungry. So let's see what happens. Come on, guys. Kind of weight us. There we go. Spot. Once you get an open spot, I'll leave you alone and let you get the rest of it filled. Got 4 bowls for 4 pigs. Because as everyone knows, pigs don't share. Yeah, big boy. Oh, he's a good boy. So that's job one, twice a day, every morning. These guys will be ready to harvest sometime early November. So right now, the biggest one is about 180 pounds. The smallest one is about 170. So they're pretty even. We're somewhere around 260 before we harvest them. All right, on to the next chore. Oh wait, these guys, it's a cleaning crew. Any feed I drop on the ground, you can see I dropped a little bit there for them. They clean it up. All right, chore number 2, chicken coop. Chickens get fed once a day. They get fed quite a bit. Yeah, everybody knows that sound. In exchange for all of the love, the chickens give us eggs. Isn't that cool? So most of these eggs, they go to the pigs. The pigs get a high protein diet in their grain, plus they get some extra from these eggs. So we give these to the pigs. I think twice a week we save back 10 or 12 for the weekend, and the rest get fed to our big boys. And this is our chicken coop that we built. I don't know if everybody's seen that. We have another video where kind of shows how we built it. Didn't go into depth into the parts or anything. It's kind of our first video, but we call it the Beast. This thing, a little heavier than what I intended it for it to be. Puts wheels on it. It moves around the yard. Oops, I got some water. All right. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. All right. You guys sound hungry, huh? We'll get you some hay. I think it's time to move you to another spot. This is just mostly weeds. In here we have our egg layers mixed with our 35 meat birds. Cornish cross, or some people call them sea monsters. These are our pandemic food. What are you guys? These are our Cornish cross. These birds. Check, make sure everybody's healthy. Top off their feeder. And these guys get a soy-free, non-GMO, organic feed. Man, I can tell you, this stuff is amazing. And yes, I did eat some of it. It's really, really good. But mostly seed and grains. Put some stone in there for them, some granite pieces. It's really, really good stuff.